What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, I'm about to be doing some apartment tours for you guys. I just want to be transparent about why I'm doing apartment tours still. It's because they are my best performing content. So they are a speed ramp to my goals, regardless of if I need an apartment at the time. So no, I don't need an apartment today, but it's what you guys seem to want to see the most. And if I provide the most possible value, I will reach my own personal creative goals the quickest. I will be able to reinvest the proceeds of this apartment content into different types of content that I want to make as well, like traveling to different cities and investing into my own apartment. So that's what I'm up to. That's why I'm doing this. But if you don't already know, I also have consulting down below in the description for you guys to connect with me about. And then I also have a Twitch channel that I game stream on daily as well. So go follow that Twitch account, turn the notifications bell on for that Twitch account so that you won't miss me live streaming on Twitch. But yeah, let's get started with some more value about prices in Da Nang. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also hit that notifications bell because I do post daily content. And let's get started on another informative video, guys. This area that I'm in to tour this apartment is very underdeveloped, by the way, still. There's a lot of building still happening and there's a lot of plots that haven't even been started on yet. So this is gonna be why the prices are as low as they are in this neighborhood. It's because this neighborhood is still at beginning phases. It's about a 10 minutes drive south of the touristy city center. So yeah, that's what area I'm in for this apartment tour. My friend Amber just pulled up. She is a real estate agent. I'm gonna let you guys meet her.
Hello everybody, my name is Amber and I love you guys watch this video.
Thank you, Amber. Here you go. Let's go check it out.
Is this true? 5.5 million?
5.5 million?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, guys, this is 5.5 million. I'll put that conversion on the screen for y'all. I like this place, but I can already tell that it doesn't currently have a TV in here. Marble countertops. This place is brand new. Brand new. Got a washing machine outside. This is your outside view. Balcony. One burner sink. Good cabinetry. A little bit more right there. You got a built-in dining table that may need to come right here, but it's definitely movable. You got you a closet. Yeah, this closet has two sides. Yeah, two sides. It's a good his and hers layout for a closet, mid-size fridge, bed. Your window is fogged, and that's just like a permanent fog. So, yeah, however you guys feel about that, but you can open it a little bit, but it's also barred. It's barred. You can lock your dresser space. You can control your AC with this remote. Your AC is right there. You're just missing a TV in here. I'll ask them when you get one. Will it get a TV? Television? No television. Okay, so there won't be a television, guys. That's a part of this 5.5 million price. There should be a television either right here, though. If you get this place and add it yourself, you should add it right here, or you can add it right here. But yeah, do you guys think this place is worth it for 5.5 million? Let me know down below. That's around $200. I don't think that's bad, but you're missing a TV. I don't know how many people like to live that way. Here goes another unit, guys. So what I'm finding out is that nowhere in this building already has a TV. And the prices just reflect that. Like if you're paying 5 million anything in Da Nang, it's just gonna be less likely. But once you reach like the 7 millions, that's when it starts being likely that you'll see a TV. Here goes your restroom. Fogged glass right here. Then you reach your balcony. I like this little feature. Washing machine. I like this feature right here. This place is so modern that it makes me want to just add a TV. Because it's modern. It looks like it's never been lived on. Got like a marble backsplash finish right here. One burner. Fridge. The walls are clean and white. No paint stains. Looks brand new. Fog glass right there. That kind of blurs people walking through the hallway. Mattresses. Firm but has some give. Then the his and hers sided closet again. All right, guys, this unit is 5 million, by the way. So yeah, it's a little bit cheaper. I guess it's because you're on a lower floor. You're on the second floor. But it seems like there's a little more space in this layout. For less money, you're just not as high in the building. That's the give and take. Yeah, let me know how y'all feel about these units, man. When you're paying in the fives, you're not going to get a TV easily. Now I want to see what's going on in the city. Maybe hop on that Nomad Table app and go find out where some networking meetups are happening right now. So let's see what I do next.